Hey guys, welcome to the fourth episode of Launch Sequence. Today we're talking about Julian Assessments and smart outcomes. So Julian is our digital worker that helps companies capture the demand they have. He can engage inbound leads instantly with real-time calls. And no Julian is going to be the same for any customer. Some of our customers will use him for inbound lead qualification, answering sales questions, cross-selling or upselling existing customers, and more. The use cases here are truly infinite. When customers first started running live calls at scale with us, they consistently asked the same questions. How do we know the agent won't make things up? And how do we know the agent is representing our brand properly on live calls? How do we know what happened on the call and which scenario was the agent running into? That's a great transition into our first key feature to build trust, which is what we call assessments. Assessments are automated tests that can be enabled to run against every call handled by the agent. They're designed to provide guardrails and post-call checks on agent behavior, so as a customer, you're never left in the dark when your calls are automated. Now, there are two primary assessment types here. The first will be hallucination checks. This detects when the agent may have made something up or said false information. The second is qualification adherence checks. This ensures the agent asks the required questions and stays within the expected script or flow. So what does assessments actually mean for you? The real value is that when a call gets flagged as questionable, meaning there may have been hallucination risk, or the agent didn't follow required questions, you can jump directly into that specific call, listen to it or read the conversation, and judge what actually happened. And from there, you can decide the next step. Julian can automatically also suggest changes to the agent's underlying instructions. You can adjust the flow or add something new to the agent's knowledge base. Next is smart outcomes. Previously, calls were marked with a binary success or failure outcome, but as we worked closely with customers, we realized that wasn't enough because customers needed multiple outcomes beyond just book a meeting. Valuable call states like qualified but didn't book were being collapsed into the same bucket as total failure, or asked a question the agent couldn't answer, or was really trying to talk to support instead of sales. And for many customers, booking a meeting isn't the only success metric or even the main one. Some care most about qualification, information gathering, or resolving customer support issues. And that's why we built Smart Outcomes. With Smart Outcomes, customers can now apply multiple non-mutually exclusive outcome tags per call. That means each call can have several outcomes at once, like qualified, follow-up needed, wrong contact, and more. The benefit here is that it gives customers a rich, at-a-glance overview of what the agent actually did on each call and what the next action should be. It also enables real operational decisions. If most calls are tagged as follow-up needed, you know you may need to increase call frequency or adjust follow-up cadences. If a high percentage of calls are tagged wrong contact, it's a signal your CRM data needs cleanup. Smart Outcomes shifts the framing from, is this working, to what's actually happening on these calls, and how do we drive more results? And because outcomes can coexist on the same call, you can get very granular. For example, one call could be tagged as escalated issue, angry customer, and follow-up needed, all at once. Actually, a fun fact is one of our customers has 17 different outcome categories, so the possibilities are truly endless based on your specific use case. Together, assessments and smart outcomes gives you visibility and control over call activity at scale. You're not just automating calls, you're able to interpret and understand what's happening across every conversation without being left guessing and without listening to thousands of calls. AI calling isn't just about volume, it's about trust and control at scale. With assessments and smart outcomes, you can understand what happened on every call, catch risk early, and know exactly what to do next. If you want inbound handled automatically without being left in the dark, you can book a demo in the comments below to try Julian inside 11x. Thanks for tuning into Launch Sequence, and I'm excited to see you guys for our next episode.